Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, December 15, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, what you're going to see here is the futures are trading lower by 3/4 of a point to 22.56 and a quarter per contract. Futures really got hit yesterday before the closing bell after the Federal Reserve did raise rates by a quarter point. Those rate hikes were as expected. So while the quarter point rate hike was very, very telegraphed by the market, what wasn't telegraphed was that the Fed plans on raising rates 3 more times throughout 2017. The market was expecting 2 times. So we got a nice little sell-off. If you ask me, this market was overbought anyway. It's options expiration. It's a quadruple witching options expiration week, and the market needed a reason for profits. So again, looks like profit taking came in place. You saw a lot of selling yesterday. We'll see what today brings. Remember, options expiration is tomorrow, so we could still see some real good whipsaw throughout the trading session. All right, let's look at some stocks in the news. That's where we're going to try to make some money. First one we're going to look at is Mondelez, MDLZ. This was a spinoff of Kraft, but the news right now, and I think it's just a rumor, is that Kraft Heinz is going to try to buy Mondelez out. Now, I don't buy it, but nonetheless, we'll see what happens. Stock closed yesterday at $42.83. Today, it's trading at $44.75. So, nice little uptick. If you own this stock, I believe it's already overbought. Try to trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, I really wouldn't do much with it. I would not try to pick it up on this rumor. But nonetheless, Mondelez upticking decently on a rumor that Kraft and Heinz are going to try to buy it. Remember, this was a spinoff of Kraft originally a while back. So, again, I don't know if I would really buy into that rumor. But nonetheless, that is the rumor. That's what's causing the move. And again, you get a lot of rumors during options expiration week. So just realize that. All right, let's take a look at Pier 1 Imports. It looks like they reported earnings. PIR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading up to $7.91, closed at $6.48. So this is a really, really nice pop for Pier 1. Again, it is way overbought now, so be careful here. I would look for very little upside at this stage of the game. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it's playing out. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had another dynamic day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the trading year. Next up, we're going to take a look at Eli Lilly. LLY is the ticker symbol here. Stock is gapping up nicely. Closed at $67.67. Now trading at $70.10. I actually like Eli Lilly. I like the pattern on the chart. Stock is showing strength. I'm not sure it has a whole lot of upside today from this current level. This is a pretty nice pop, but I'm going to give this stock the upside bias at the moment. So Eli Lilly with a nice little pop here. Let's respect it, and we'll see where it goes. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, but it's making a nice move before the opening bell today. Next up on my radar is going to be Sanderson Farms, SAFM. This stock right here has had a really, really good pop. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Stock closed at $89.27. Now trading at $94. I think this is a bit overbought here at this level, though. So traders should just take it for what it's worth. Either way, though, it's a nice pop. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you do not own it, I would not be chasing it up here at these levels. This is very overbought at the moment. Yahoo is making the news again. Now, this company is supposed to be bought out by Verizon, but Yahoo just reported that they had a 1 billion person hack. So 1 billion accounts were hacked and information was taken. Again, the stock right now is trading at $39.91, closed at $40.91. We'll see what happens with the Verizon merger. Verizon is supposed to take over Yahoo. Just looking at the Verizon stock today, stock is trading down at $51.46. So, again, no real movement there. But when you look at Yahoo today, you could only wonder if Verizon is going to look to get this a little bit cheaper. I'm not seeing anything that says they are, but we'll see how it plays out. Either way, stock is down from its close of $40.91, right now trading at $39.90. No play on it at the moment. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at MPEL, MPEL, which is Melcro. This is a gaming stock or casino name. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading at $16.75, closed at $17.31. This is on a secondary offering. Again, I don't see anything great, nor do I see anything terrible here. I do see some support around the 1550 level if it does get down there. So we'll look at this one today. If it does get down to that level, I think there is going to be some support right around that area. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's talk about gold. Yesterday, gold was hit in the after hours. Gold closed at 130, as you all know. But in the after hours, gold was hit pretty hard on the back of dollar strength. If you take a look at the U.S. dollar today, you're going to see it's trading right around the 103 level. The dollar soaring and roaring, making new highs. The dollar is up on the back of the Federal Reserve news. So the dollar is soaring and roaring. But what's going on in gold? If you take a look at the GLD today, you're going to see that is getting smashed, trading around 107.70. The one thing I will say is gold futures are down $32 right now to $1,131.90 an ounce. So gold futures getting hit on the back of a stronger dollar, and really that's about it. That's all you really need to know. In sympathy of gold getting hit, you're getting gold miners selling off as well. GDX right now trading down around 1933. So gold and gold miners both trading lower. You see a lot of gold mining stocks. Newmont Mining, one of my favorites, getting hit today. This closed at 31.68, trading at 30.70. You take a look at GG, which is Gold Corp. This is trading at 12.03. Take a look at GOLD, which is Rand Gold. This is trading at 68.07, closed at 71.12. So gold miners really getting hit on the chin today, and this is on the back of a much, much stronger dollar after the Federal Reserve. Should be well known, anytime the Fed does come out with news, gold is going to be volatile, sometimes to the upside, sometimes to the downside. The Fed did come out with a little bit more of what we call a hawkish report, saying that they're going to raise rates 3 times in 2017. That would put the Fed funds rate at 1.25% ultimately by the end of next year. So again, that's the news. That's what we're seeing there. Gold is down. Oil is also down today. Oil is down, I believe, 97 cents at the moment to $50.08 a barrel. So if you take a look at the USO, you're going to see the USO trading at $11.17. And again, oil down could be partly due to the stronger dollar. When the dollar is stronger, commodities will move lower. That's generally what we see. So there we have it. That's everything for today. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, everybody, I want to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.